let's do one more very energetic kriya, Bhastrika Pranayam, what is known as. We will not do Bhastrika Pranayam, we will do Bhastrika Kriya. Right? So what we need to do, you have one hanky, so you can put this hanky here, tugging it in collar. What do we need to do? Keep your both the hands this way. You should have a Moola Bandha, that is, you pull your anal opening up from inside. Okay? Like you do it after the toilet, the anal opening is pulled up. So similar way you should do it. So here, so take a deep breath, open your arms, open your palms, and with a forceful breathe out, just let it come out of your nose. Let it come out of your nose. Again, let it do. Take a deep breath. Let it come out of your nose. Remember, you have a Mool Bandha. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Slowly breathe out. Your eyes should be closed. Take a deep breath. Very slowly breathe out.